Today we'll learn about multicam editing and 360-degree videos. How to use 360-degree videos into our HD projects. So let's start. Aman, read.
Copying clips to the Final Cut Pro X library does what?
Does what? Importing. If I copy the clips to the Final Cut Pro X library, what it will do? Sahil, any idea? It's a very basic question. It will import. Definitely it will import. So will it delete the file from the original location? Will it copy? Will it replace? What it will do? It will copy. Sandeep? Yes? It will copy in the library also.
It depends upon whether we are selected to leave it in the place or copy to the library.
But I actually told कि it's copying clip. It will copy to the library. And remain the original files to its original location. Very simple question.
You can bring just a part of a clip into a keyword collection.
You can bring just a part of a clip into a keyword collection.
Yes,
We can bring
yes.
just a part of a clip. How?
The selection in ins and outs and the keyword. Particular part of
We have to give in and out of that particular clip and mark it as a new keyword collection. Very right. Sandeep? Okay. This is not about A roll and B roll. It's about assigning the roles to the video. If you ever checked by right clicking on the video, audio roles, you know, music, sound effects, and dialogues. What are the two default video roles? Never checked, never explored. हाँ? लकीर के फकीर नहीं बनना है. Right clicking, assigning video roles. There are two default roles, titles and videos. This is what the question is all about. है ना? Didn't explore this. Yes, yes.
What happens when you select a clip in the timeline and press delete?
What happens?
So it gets deleted from the timeline.
It will get deleted
From the timeline.
from the timeline. No other thing. Next clip will ripple. Very good. Why you are not so confident? Look like the question is very simple, that's why. तो ऐसा ही होता है ना साहिल.
Where can you see all the audio assigned to the dialogue roles index?
where can you see all the audio assigned to the dialogue role? And on the timeline index. Exactly. This is our first. How to import multicam footage to Final Cut Pro X. So first of all, let me know what is the difference between a single individual clip or a multicam clip. What do you think is the difference?
Single camera, the footage,
Not single camera, yeah, single camera you can say.
the clip will be from one angle only.
Hmm.
And in multi-cam, the same action will be from many cameras in different
Captured by
angles
multi cameras
and different angles.
simultaneously.
And they both have different data.
Datas, how?
Because different angle, different उसका वो process.
So data belongs to उसका GB difference and all.
Sir, the data means कितनी वो है.
Metadata. That is metadata. Data is all about GBs, informations and all. And the clip information is named as metadata. Okay. So the difference between single cam shot and a multi-cam shot is, do we have all the three, if we are using three multi-camera setup, do we have all three information in one single shot? No. We have three different shots shooting the same action. Then what is our job? What we have to do with all these shots?
Connect the actions.
We have to sync. We have to, first of all, we have to sync each and every angle with the original audio or the clear audio. Then the second job of us is to sync every angle with each other. These are the two jobs we have to do as in multi-camera editing. Okay, so before that, you know one thing? This is a dialogue, or if you want to make your timeline as per your clip information, format, resolution or everything, is there any straightforward part how I can make my project timeline in relation with this clip format? What you have to do is you have to right click on it and create new project. Now whatever information this clip is having, automatically convert it to this project, automatic, and single clip sync. Nineteen 20 by 1080, 23.98. 1920 by 1080, 23.98. This is another way of creating the projects. So let's play this audio or clip.
And you explained the chocolate. You didn't explain what was in the chocolate. What is the clock?
The clock, it's a milk chocolate with.
This is an interview, but not having a clear audio in it. So what we have to do is we have to sync original audio track with this video. You know how to do this now. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to drag and drop, then use so you can enable or disable these clips if you want only to hear about this other option. There are two ways to do this. One is you can right click it and disable it. Okay, and now you are only able to play this audio, and anytime you can enable this clip too. Or there is another option which I told you about, soloing the audio. Clicking on this clip, we can solo play this audio.
The top is milk chocolate with
So what we have to do is we have to mark the clip from where the audio gets started. This is clap sound, I think. Hmm.
the top is the
Excused. So I marked the point. So now I have to find same dialogue in this clip.
Alright. So we were on the clogs and you explained the chocolate, you didn't explain what was in the chocolate. What is the clog?
the top is the top
Okay, what I have to do is I have to mark this, and then I have to sync these two markers. So if I'll mute this audio,
the top is milk chocolate. They were on week 6 week shelf life, so every year.
okay, but I don't want to do this all process, because if I have to do multi-clip, it's a very lengthy process. So is there any other option? Yes. So what you have to do is you have to select your clip, you have to select your audio, and then you have to right click it and synchronize clip. So what FCP will do, it will automatically try to sync these clips. So if I'll click, it's an option what I want to call this connected clip as. Let's say single cam, yeah, audio sync, single cam audio sync. Okay, where I want this to be present, okay, let's choose it to timeline. Starting time code is okay. Use audio for synchronization. Yes, we are using audio for synchronization, definitely. Disable audio component on AV clip. What is the AV clip? This is the AV clip in which audio and video, both the information is there. So it's asking, do you want to disable the audio, or you want that audio is also to be get played in the clip? No, I don't want to play. Okay, the video and audio set based on common clip properties. So that will get the timeline or a clip resolution as per this video resolution. Okay, if I want manual, I can use it as a manual, but let's choose it to automatic, and I'll click OK. It will calculate each and every part and then synchronize the clip and make a new clip. How can you know that this is synchronized? By this small little icon. So there is two circles. It's showing that this clip is synchronized clip. So is it a timeline? Is it a clip? What is it? It's a clip. We can drag it on timeline.
But ऐसा क्यों था कि that another camera footage did not have a good quality sound?
Because they used cam mic.
Yeah, okay.
Cam mic. So if we'll play,
The top is milk chocolate with honey.
but you don't know right now is the lips are syncing or not. Let's take a part where the lips are.
Cold and bonbon. Bonbon is a it's sweet
did a very good job. So now there is no need to put markers, no need to do that lengthy process. The synchronize is making very easy for us to sync our external audio wave files with our captured clips.
But suppose if the external file is little long, say for example, if it is a 1 hour audio recorded on the professional recorder, and this clipping was
Only-
has a cut, say for example, after 3 minutes or something like that.
Definitely.
Then how you
It automatically sync to that particular place where this audio is matching with that wave file.
from that
Long 1 hour clip.
And what about the rest of the audio?
If that will be present here.
That will be good.
That will be present
We
here.
can delete the rest of the audio.
Yeah, but how we can do is by double clicking this clip, now you can go inside of that clip. What is going here? What is here is a clip synced with our audio wave. Now if I only want the clip at this particular time, I can use this. But there is no need to do here. We can straight away cut the clips here. So by the same process, we can even sync multiple clips with this kind of audios. Let's do it for multiple clips.
Simultaneously, you can.
Simultaneously, sir. So now, this is,
Giving your friend invitation.
which short composition is this? Too short. Yes, this is too short. And there is another shot. This is close up. Very good. And this is another close up. So what this composition is all about? Short reverse shot. So it's having 3 different camera angles, having the same interview shot simultaneously with 3 different cameras. And we have to, first of all, we have to sync our external audio file with these video files. So what we have to do, we have to select this, right click and synchronize. Okay, let's check. This is too short. Same process, we'll do okay. Let's track this.
When in 87, in Newport Beach,
Very amazingly done. But there is another problem, that we also have to edit these clips too. So if we have to edit these clips, we have to sync all these angles with our actual audio, the real audio or the clear audio, and then have to edit this multicam clip. So one way is doing that, we have to sync, we can sync each and every angle and then put layer on layer, and where we can do some editing, overlaying, inserting and everything. And the another option is multi-camera editing. So what this panel will do, it will create and give you the multi-camera view option. You can watch all the cameras simultaneously and take a decision whether you have to go to 2 shot, single shot of a male or single shot of a lady. So for that, what you have to do is, you have to do 3 different jobs in one particular action, and that is selecting all the clips, right clicking it and creating new multicam clip. Okay, so what this multicam will do, this will do 2 different jobs for us. One is syncing each and every clip with original audio and placing all the tracks synced with each other on one track over another track. We don't have to drag the tracks, we don't have to sync the tracks. Okay, let's do it. Again, we are using automatic settings because we want the timeline to be in relation with this clip resolution. So let's call it multicam sync. And what we are doing is use audio for synchronizing. Yes, we are using audio for synchronizing. All the audios are getting synchronized with each other. Let's, where I want to save it.
In order to do this,
Yes.
first you have to sync the original audio with all the clips, or
No.
you just let the audio clip
No,
be there?
not to sync anything else.
So you just take.
We are taking all the clips and here we are applying the multicam editing. So where I want to save? I want to save in
But if
timeline.
you wanted to do individual thing, so when this facility is there, why people would like to do the individual sync of each clip?
Because they don't know multicam editing even. There are two options. Sometimes we have to only sync our single cam shot with our fine audio. Sometimes we have three different angles shooting simultaneously and also have to sync it with our original or fine audio. There are two different things. This is called multi-camera editing and that is called only audio syncing. Synchronization, है ना? Synchronization you are all aware about. Now this is, we are syncing the audio and have to edit the video too. So let's do it multicam sync and press OK. And it will do all the calculations. And now what is the difference between these two clips is these icon difference. You see this is two circles, that is audio is rolled, and this is showing the small little folder kind of thing. That means it's multicam clip. But if I'll drag it on the timeline, it's not showing anything. It's just a single camera. But is it synced? Let's play it. Yes. Then what this multicam part did? If I double click on this, you will find there are all the three clips are here, one over another with some different endpoints. So what this did is it matched this every angle of these clips with this audio and placed in the sync. And at any point, if I want to view this, I can check this. But how to edit this kind of clips is the main problem, because here we cannot edit the clips. Okay, let's go back to this multicam.
One more thing, this multicam sync clip, which you just diagnosed and shown the various clips. So all these clips are there, but they are hidden, right?
They are hidden. Only the top layer is
visible.
we are able to see. Yes.
But it is not edited by camera itself.
No,
Or
it's
by the
not.
software.
No, it's synced by the software, not edited. We have to edit this,
The one which you are watching it over here is just the one clip, which is on the top layer.
which is over top. If I'll drag this clip over another, so this is the icon, I can even drag this one up.
One can shift all these.
Yes, so now we can see this clip. Okay, so if I again don't want to see this, it will get. So now to edit this kind of multicam edit, what you have to do, you have to go to your player window and on the view option you will find angles. If I'll click on these angles, I'll hide these two. So now you can see all the four different perspective of this. Oh wait, I'll undo. It's all the four videos, one audio, two shot, single and single shot. So it's showing what all is there in this multicam clip. And now if I'll play,
So we met in
you can watch simultaneously what is going on other camera at the same time, and you can take decision whether to go close, whether to come out as a two shot. It's a very easy process now. You don't have to do all that lengthy editing process.
इसके लिए अब पीसी भी अच्छा चाहिए होगा ना, उसके भी ग्रुप के चल रहा है, वो तो हमें हाई एंड
मैंने उसके लिए अभी ट्रांसकोडिंग और उसकी बात करी ही नहीं है ना. प्रॉक्सी एडिटिंग इज देयर. पीसी कोई रीज़न क्या है कि हम इसको ट्रांसकोड कर लेते हैं ऑप्टिमाइज मीडिया में. ये अभी क्यों स्लो चल रहा है? बिकॉज इट्स ऑटोमेटिकली डूइंग सम एनालिसिस. सो बैक एंड में चीज़ें चल रही हैं, इसीलिए इट्स टेकिंग टाइम, इट्स ऑन टाइम.
सर ये समझ नहीं आया।
आपको समझ नहीं आया? समझा देंगे.
सिंक तो पता चल गया,
सिंक पता चल गया.
फिर उसके बाद हम इसे कैसे एडिट करेंगे, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा?
करके दिखाऊंगा कैसे एडिट करना है. अभी तो अभी
ऑडियो चल रहा है.
अभी तो जस्ट हाँ ना, अभी सब कुछ पता चलेगा वन बाय वन. सो वेयर वी रीच नाउ इज how to see what is there inside this multicam clip. So where you went to angles. So on clicking angles, it had opened one another window which is showing us all the 4 angles. And
suppose if we had the 5 camera footage.
Definitely, if I'll go to this setting, it's showing me we can use 2 angles, 4 angles, 9 angles, or up to 16 angles.
But it is not showing 5 or 6. Means 9 will include up to 5, 6, 7,
7,
up to
8,
9.
up to 9. So if I'll click on 16, it can show me 16 different camera angles at one time. 16.
So this feature is in FCP 10, this multi-camera thing, and not in the previous version?
Yeah, it's there in previous version too.
Also.
But not this much of detailed, but yes, it was there. Okay.
When we choose force here, so the window will become bigger.
Bigger.
But if we choose the 16 or 9, the window would be small. That is the only difference.
Yeah, then what we have to do is we have to increase
So why to go
increase the, yeah. So now it's showing us all the 4 angles, and what all difference you are seeing when I take my cursor to these windows, it's converted to razor tool. Look, whenever I'm taking my cursor to these clips, it's converting to razor tool. Why? Because at any time if I'll click on this clip, what happening is the clip is getting cut, and it's getting slow. And our next clip is on close-up because we had chosen the close-up shot. And if I'll go further and click on this clip, then another cut happen, and now the next clip will be this shot. Just we have to play and cut. I'll do that one too, but first I have to tell each and every part. Let's shorten this clip. Okay, now you can see from to shot. Do I transcode these clips? Okay, from two shot.
And this multi-clip editing feature is also in the Adobe Premiere?
Yes.
It must be.
Huh?
Any software which is latest in terms of the
Definitely.
program should have.
Okay. Alright. So we met in 87 in Newport.
But what it is doing is it's changing the audio too. But we don't want. Let's play. Let's play this audio.
But once we have done the sync of audio with all the and we have removed the camera audio, so why we need to check again which audio it is playing?
It will, because this multi-clip is actually having all the audio informations.
But
At the time of syncing, we switched off, but not at the time of multicam clipping. There is no option at the time of multicam that we have to hide or level down the audios. It will be there. But how we have to manage this editing is something
no,
different.
But my question is that three different cameras are being recorded with the camera mic on the camera. We had the master track which is professionally recorded. Okay. Now my question is, we have synced the clean track with three clips. We have done that already. Now all the three clips has the same track only one track.
No. One track is this. This audio track is going simultaneously with these three tracks.
Okay.
But these
so
are
three
also
tracks are not being removed.
not been removed.
But ideally speaking, it should be removed because once it is being in sync with all
No,
these things.
we have to do this step. How? Whenever we cut to any angle, it will cut audio and video both, because as we are putting inserts, the video also having the audio. That is the basic reason why the audio is there, because it's not treating as a synced part, but it's treating as a multi clips. It's giving importance to all individual clips. But if I'll play this clip is having a good audio.
We met in 87 in Newport Beach.
Let's get
Okay. Alright. So we met in 87 in Newport.
this difference. Why? What we have to do is now, I'll undo, because I have to come to this point, that's why. If I'll click on this, there is three different options. One is video and audio, one is only video, and one is only audio. This is what we are doing at here. All video only and audio only. Same thing now we are having in multi-clip too. So what this will do, whether we only want to edit the video part, whether we only want to edit the audio part, or whether we want to edit both video and audio part. So what we have to do is, we don't have to edit the audio. We only want video editing. So what we'll do, we only select on this video part. Now it will lay all the master audio to the full clip, and we can only edit the video.
So the reason for not removing the original track from these videos is simply because maybe at some point
you
if we
need,
feel that this audio is much better
or
than the master track, then we can choose that particular part only.
Yeah, actually, or we need to use ambient sound at that particular time, the atmosphere sound. Maybe some bell rings which never captured by this master track. Then we'll use that track too. So now we are not cutting the audio, we only switching the videos. Let's do it one more time.
Alright. So we met in 87 in Newport Beach. I was in Chicago visiting a friend in vacation, and I was looking for a job, and I met Chef who knew
Now you can see. Let's play this video. Now there is no audio difference.
So we met in '87 in Newport Beach. I was in Chicago visiting a friend in vacation, and I was looking for a job. And I met Chef to you again in
And how fast the editing is doing on multicam. You can simultaneously seeing what is going on other cameras, and you can choose that particular actions. Everything is in front of your eyes. But what if at any stage I don't want this cut? It can happen. By mistaken we can click on this. What you have to do is you have to select this cut and hit delete. Now that particular shot will get till the time of next shot get switched. Very, very, very easy. Or maybe you don't want to switch at this particular stage, you want to switch to another position. Let's check.
सर 16 एंगल में मुश्किल हो जाएगा
हाँ
16 एंगल में भी मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि हमें हर एक क्लिप को वॉच करना और रिएक्शन भी
इसीलिए 16 नहीं होते हैं. मैक्सिमम अगर करना पड़ता है, देखो इंटरव्यूज जो करने होते हैं वो करने होते हैं 4 कैमरा 3 कैमरा जस्ट, ठीक है. उसके अलावा इफ़ यू डू सम म्यूजिक एल्बम एंड ऑल, उसमें भी सिंक अलग अलग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे होता है.
फंक्शंस होते हैं ना, जैसे फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड फंक्शन है,
हाँ,
उसमें लग जाएगा कुछ 8-10 कैमरा, कुछ उसको
But-
कैप्चर कर रहा है, बट उसमें सिंक नहीं का चक्कर नहीं है. एग्जैक्टली सिंक नहीं, क्योंकि डायलॉग नहीं है, बट एक्सप्रेशन तो है, और वहां पे किसी ने कुछ बोला तो उसका एक्सप्रेशन कैप्चर करना है.
then you need these windows to be much bigger to get connected. और जैसे मैच है, क्रिकेट मैच है, but how that match is getting edited is there are 4 different producers looking at 16 different cameras. Some are watching 5, giving importance to 5 cameras, another on 5, another on 5, and they decided, okay, we need this single camera in terms of this 5 cameras. He's chosen 1 camera, and another producer chosen 1 camera, and another chosen 1 camera. So now what 3 cameras editor has to look? 3 different cameras only, and he has to take 1 shot from that.
But that cannot happen in live.
That is happening in live.
But how the sync would happen? Suppose, as you said, the 19 cameras are there, 4 producers are there. So he's taking care of 3 cameras, he's taking care of 3. So simultaneously, suppose if he likes a particular shot and he likes a different shot, so how that would happen?
That is 15 different camera is going simultaneously. 3 different producers watching 5 camera each, and they are choosing at particular moment which camera they find is a better angle, and they are switching to that
My
camera.
point is that,
So-
that simultaneously, if two producers decide that this shot is, he decides this shot is better and he decides another shot is better.
Now, sir, that producer only having a control over 5 cameras. He don't have to use other angles, because that 5 angles, the different 5 angles
But
belongs to.
editing,
Sir, why?
live it is going on.
Yeah.
And if 2 people simultaneously decided that my shot is this and he decided that my shot is
Yeah, that is what
and that clash would take
that is what I am telling about. 15 cameras are going there.
Correct.
I have to watch 5 cameras.
Fine.
Sandeep has to watch another 5 cameras, and Yash has to watch 5 another cameras.
Correct.
I decided that at the time of bowling, this camera I have to show. I switched to that camera. Now Sandeep also decided that at this moment, this camera needs to go on air. He cut it to another camera. He also chosen 1 camera. Now these 3 master cameras coming to the master producer or
To the
editor,
So to the editor,
and he will decide which one to
editor
go.
is actually getting only the 3
Three.
output at one given point.
1 given point. Yes.
Even if there are 15 cameras are there, one producer would choose one particular angle which he wanted to show it to
Show-
the editor. Second will show the one, third will show,
Show
the
the-
one,
and
the
he has-
editor would choose
From that three different
three
angles.
which one he wanted.
Yeah, this is how the cricket match is going live. Very interesting. How you can watch 16-18 cameras at once simultaneously and take a decision whether to go with this or not. This is how the things managed. Even in screen awards, Oscar awards, this is type of things is going behind the cameras.
और सर क्रिकेट तो लाइव आता है वहाँ कैसे
तो लाइव चल रहा है ना, अगर बॉलर बॉल डालने के लिए जा रहा है और मेरे पास जितने भी कैमरा एंगल्स हैं उसमें से मुझे दिख रहा है कि सबसे बेटर एंगल जो है वो ये है, संदीप को भी दिख रहा है इस टाइम पे बेटर एंगल मेरे पास ये है, तो मेरे पास 3 बेटर एंगल्स आए सिर्फ और मुझे इन 3 में से एक को स्विच कर देना है बस.
प्रेशर होता है उससे?
क्यों नहीं होता है? डेफिनेटली होता है. एक्सपीरियंस भी होता है ना. दैट पर्सन हु इज स्विचिंग द कैमराज हैव,
वही चल रहा है, कितने सालों से मैच चले जा रहा है, रोज वही देख रहा है.
दैट एडिटर इज डूइंग दिस ऑल
देखते
थिंग्स,
देखते आप.
that editor is doing that all for 10-15 years. So आपको अचानक से नहीं बिठाएंगे, आपको मे बी वो सेकंड असिस्टेंट थर्ड असिस्टेंट पे
उनको भी
बिठाएंगे
3 दिन देखने के बाद समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये
कि करना क्या है. अब ये 3 कैमराज हैं, आप स्ट्रेट अवे चेक कर सकते हो कि आपको, और वो कैमराज, these 3 कैमराज साइमल्टेनियसली चेंजिंग.
और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात क्या है कि वो जो शॉट 3 दिख रहे हैं एडिटर को, वो 5 में से बेस्ट शॉट है.
पहले ही फिल्टर होके आए हैं,
जिसमें भी कट मार देगा वो
निकल जाएगा क्योंकि उनके लिए अलग प्रोड्यूसर्स ने अपने व्यू पॉइंट्स शेयर किए हैं. तो दीज आर 3 डिफरेंट बेस्ट कैमरा एंगल्स एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट चूज वन. इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल.